If you're getting ready to challenge your Red Seal Plumber exam, this video is for you. Whether you're an apprentice finishing your hours, a journey person upgrading your ticket, or someone returning to the trade, the right study guide for Red Seal Plumber can make all the difference. Let's talk about how to prepare effectively, what to focus on, and where to find the best tools to study smart, not hard. First, let's start with the basics. The Red Seal program sets a national standard for skilled trades across Canada. Once you earn your Red Seal endorsement as a plumber, your certification is recognized in every province and territory. That means you can work anywhere in Canada. No extra testing or provincial recertification. It's your passport to better pay, more flexibility, and long-term stability in the plumbing trade. Now, let's look at what's actually on the Red Seal Plumber Exam. The test usually has 100 to 150 multiple-choice questions, and you'll have about 4 hours to complete it. Each question is based on real-world plumbing tasks, not just theory. You might see questions involving blueprints, drainage systems, venting, fixtures, code compliance, or water supply calculations. It's designed to test how you apply your knowledge on the job, not just what you can memorize from a book. When it comes to studying, the key is structure. Don't try to study everything at once. Break your prep into smaller sections. Safety, plumbing code, tools and equipment, blueprint reading, and trade math. Review each topic for short sessions, about 30 to 45 minutes, and then move to the next. Consistent, smaller study blocks help you retain more information and build confidence over time. Here's the thing, a lot of people underestimate the math section, but it's worth revisiting measurements, conversions, slopes, and basic geometry, since these appear often on the exam. If you've been out of school for a while, don't stress. Practice a few problems daily and you'll quickly get comfortable again. Remember, plumbing math isn't about being perfect. It's about accuracy, speed, and logic. Another key part of the study guide for Red Seal Plumber is reviewing the Red Seal Occupational Standard. This document outlines exactly what tasks, knowledge, and skills are tested on the exam. Understanding that structure helps you study smarter, focusing on what actually matters for your trade. For example, if you know drainage systems or piping layouts are core areas, you can spend more time mastering those instead of spreading yourself too thin. Now, let's talk about study tools that make preparation easier. At redsealstudyguide.ca, you'll find question and answer books, Q&A with explanations, and online time tests, all designed specifically for Canadian plumbers. These resources simulate the real exam, so you can test your knowledge under realistic time conditions. They're all digital, meaning you can download them instantly and study anytime, anywhere, whether you're on your phone, tablet, or laptop. Thousands of Canadian tradespeople use these tools to build confidence and sharpen their test-taking skills. If you're someone who learns better visually, try using diagrams, sketches, or drawing your own plumbing layouts as part of your study routine. This helps you connect the technical content to the physical systems you work with every day. Think of it like studying with your hands, the same way you learn on the job. And here's an important tip. Don't just read. Explain what you're learning out loud, or even teach it to someone else. When you can explain a concept like venting, backflow prevention, or fixture roughings in your own words, you're reinforcing what you know. That's active learning, and it works. If you haven't written an exam in years, it's normal to feel nervous. But remember, the Red Seal exam is not about tricking you. It's designed to confirm what skilled tradespeople already know. You've been doing this work. You just need to organize your knowledge and refresh a few areas before test day. Once you pass, your Red Seal Plumber certification opens doors across Canada. You can take on supervisory roles, teach apprentices, or even start your own plumbing business. It's a career move that gives you professional recognition and long-term job security. And it's a symbol of pride, proof that you've achieved the national standard of excellence in your trade. So if you're starting your Red Seal Plumber exam prep, plan your study schedule, use trusted resources, and stay consistent. Visit redsealstudyguide.ca to explore tools built by Canadians, for Canadians, in the plumbing trade. With the right preparation and mindset, you'll be ready to earn your Red Seal and take your career to the next level. Thanks for watching, and remember, confidence comes from preparation. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep building Canada's future, one pipe at a time.